Door knocking to win the first 50 customers in pest control starts with a respectful, local owner approach that immediately builds trust. When you knock, lead with a short apology for interrupting and state that you are the local owner offering solutions for common pest issues in the neighborhood. Keep your introduction under 10 seconds and mention a specific common pest if you have recent local reports. Use open body language, lower your voice slightly, and avoid high-pressure questions so the homeowner feels in control. Ask one quick qualifying question, like whether they have noticed any pest activity recently, and then listen for at least 5 seconds before responding. Carry neatly printed business cards and a short one-page handout that lists typical services, guarantees, and a transparent price range for common treatments so the homeowner can digest details after you leave. Tailor your pitch by scanning cues such as children or pets outside, garage door types, or obvious entry points for pests, and reference those observations briefly to show you are attentive and not reading a script. Offer a no-obligation visual inspection and give a clear next step such as scheduling a 10 to 20-minute visit, and use a simple closing line like, "Would you like me to check your property this week, or shall I leave my card so you can call when convenient?" Practice your pitch with neighbors or team members and refine phrasing that gets the most engagement, logging feedback after each visit so you can iterate quickly. Common mistakes include sounding scripted, which shuts down conversation, so solve that by using bullet point prompts rather than memorized lines and focusing on listening more than talking. Another issue is appearing aggressive or too sales-focused, which you can avoid by apologizing for the interruption, offering a clear, no-obligation option, and leaving professional printed materials for follow-up. A third problem is not tailoring the message to the specific homeowner, so correct this by making 2 or 3 adaptable mini pitches based on typical household cues and recording which approach works best for different property types. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find new work by showcasing profiles and job requests. We also host a discussion community where neighbors and professionals exchange real experiences and practical advice related to home services.